This is lesson 3.6, example 1 of, I think, 2. And our goal for right now is to change the improper fraction 14/4 into a mixed number. An improper fraction is, of course, a fraction where the top number is larger than the bottom number, and a mixed number has a whole number attached to it. So the question we have to ask is, how many wholes do we have here? How many wholes is 14/4? If I have 14/4 of a pie, how many whole pies do I have? We find this by dividing. A fraction is a division problem. Top divided by the bottom. So that's exactly how we're going to find it. We're going to divide 14 by 4. By putting 14 in the box and 4 outside. 4 does not go into 1. But it does go into 14 how many times? 4, 8, 12, 16, so 12. 3 times. 3 times 4 is 12. Subtract, and we have 2. Now we're going to stop here. We're not dealing with decimals. We're not dealing with remainders. We're making a new fraction. Specifically, we're making a mixed number, which is a whole number attached to a fraction. So we have our division problem. Now let's label what parts mean what. How many times does 4 go into 14? This is how many wholes we have, and that was 3. So 3 is going to be our whole number. That goes there. Now, our denominator of the denominator of the fraction isn't going to change. The denominator of the fraction stays the same, so 4 stays the same. Now the question is, what is our numerator? How many are left? How many pieces of our pie are left after we take out those 3 whole pies, those 4/4? We have 3 whole 4/4 of a pie. How many fourths are left over? And the answer to that question is found where we would find our remainder, this 2. This 2 goes up here. 2. So that 2 is our numerator, our divisor is our denominator, and our quotient is our whole number. So, and we can simplify that, of course. 2/4. Fourths, if I divide both top and bottom by 2, because 2 is the greatest common factor of 2 and 4, I will get 1/2. So our new mixed number, 14/4, equals 3 and 1/2. Let me do that one more time here with this one here. 13 halves equals what? 13 halves? Well, let's find out by dividing. 13 divided by 2. 2 does not go into 1, but it does go into 13. How many times? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 6 times. 6 times 2 is 12. And subtract, we get 1. Stop here. Again, our whole number, the total number of times that 2 goes into 13 evenly is 6. Our denominator stays the same from what it was. And what's left over is 1. So 13 halves equals 6 and 1/2. And that's how you change an improper fraction into a mixed number.